Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Purohit and I am going to make this video on behalf of the YouTuber Engineers Asylum, and in this video we are going to talk about a camper van. This is a caravan that is specially handmade by and designed by Engineers Asylum, as you can see here. And this basically he is offering you a queen size bed. 2 people 6 feet tall can easily go in and can easily sleep in, and 2 people with a child, they can go in. Along with that, you get a lot of storage. Here you can get a storage of, you can put some of your stuffs, you can put some of your waters, luggage easily. So this is it. And here also you can get some storage. Come here. This is where you can get a lot of storage also. If you want to sit like a king, this is the space for you. What say? I'm going to talk some about the kitchen area right now. Let's go out. So this is the beautiful kitchen area that you get. You can put your stove here basically, and this is actually manufactured according to the customer's need, but you can put a stove here, and you can keep some utensils here, and you can keep some of the stuffs here as well. And this is a chopping board that you get along with this kitchen. As you can see, the build is quite good. Okay, so let me show you how you can turn this into a queen size bed. So you have to open this, both of them, and these are the cushions. And we'll be opening this. Yeah, so there goes your bed, and the last cushion is there. Let me go up. Yeah, so this is some space that you get to keep your shoes and keep your other accessories. As you can see, we are done with our bed setup, and this is a really comfortable bed, and you can sit like a king here. As you can see, I am very comfortable here. I am almost 6 foot tall, and it has been very comfortable for me. So that we saw was the bed that you use during the day when you do not feel like sleeping and all. But when at the night you want to sleep, you need to remove this basically. So this is how you can remove. Yeah, this is how you remove this. Now we get this complete bed. You can put your pillows here, and now this vehicle becomes almost like 6 feet and all. So you can get a complete good night's sleep. The Engineer Asylum has charged 50,000 rupees for this particular modification for a client. But if you can get your own caravan, own cars, he can suggest you some idea to turn into a caravan, and you can, easily spend your holiday at peace.
Style is the answer to everything.